life is often quite busy, so maintaining my well-being has become a top priority. Every day, I make a conscious effort to live a healthy and balanced lifestyle. I believe that taking care of both my physical and mental health is essential for staying happy and successful. My routine begins early in the morning. Before I start working, I drink a large glass of water and dedicate 20 minutes to physical activity. Depending on the weather, I either do a quick workout at home or go for a run in the nearby park. Getting some movement in the fresh air immediately boosts my mood and wakes up my body. Afterward, I prepare a nutritious breakfast, usually consisting of oatmeal, fruit, and nuts. A healthy nutrition plan is crucial for me because it provides the sustained energy I need to get through long work days. During the day, professional life brings a lot of stress. I spend hours attending meetings and working at my desk, which can be exhausting. To prevent burnout and reduce my screen time, I take regular planned breaks. During these intervals, I practice a simple relaxation technique. I sit quietly, close my eyes, and take deep, slow breaths. I also make sure to eat a healthy snack, like a piece of fruit, which helps me stay focused and keeps my stress levels low. In the evening, I disconnect from my work to enjoy my free time. I love cooking a fresh homemade dinner, and I often invite my friends or family over. Spending time with loved ones and sharing our favourite hobbies helps me to stay socially connected and emotionally satisfied. Finally, I prioritise my sleep hygiene by turning off all electronic devices an hour before bed. Getting at least 8 hours of quality sleep is vital for my body and mind to recover. Thanks to this routine, I wake up every morning feeling completely fit, well rested, and ready to face whatever the day brings.